In this video, we will answer the popular Stack Overflow question, how to merge two dictionaries in a single expression. First of all, let's create two dictionaries using dictionary comprehension. The first dictionary, we'll just create it with a few different letters, and we'll have keys as those letters and indices as the values. In the second dictionary, we will also have letters, but at the end of the alphabet. Okay, so now that we have two dictionaries, let's learn how to combine them into a single dictionary. So we'll do dictionary1.update dictionary2. And now Dictionary 1 includes all the entries that were in Dictionary 2 along with its original entries. Let's go ahead and print this out so you can see it a bit better. And there it is. So there you have it. That is how you can merge two dictionaries together using the .update function. Please check out some of my other Python videos, and please subscribe for more Python programming content.